Ayan.
So, pakita ko lang guys, this is me. I'm Coach Nate Soriano. I'm a speaker, public speaker. Recently, I've done an event sa Digos and always dito sa VA Rookies trying to bring back cold email scene here in the Philippines kasi alam kong hindi siya masyadong sikat katulad ng sinabi ni Boss Ralph, no? So, kung makikita ninyo, meron tayong mga uh, registration dito. So I've been operating this simula pa noong October 2023, right? October 18, so naka-registered po tayo sa Philippines and because of that, nakapag-open tayo ng business account which is a requirement kay Payoneer, no? I think kapag mga freelancers, mga VAs, 'di ba sanay naman tayo sa mga remittances. Ako, officially partner po kasi ako ni Payoneer. Alright, so yun yung ginagamit ko. Um, So, ito po yung sample transaction ko na kinikita ko as a VA, right? So, kung makikita ninyo, that's my transactions. Kumikita po ako ng 2,400 US dollars, 1,100 US dollars, no? Kasi kung tutuusin, um, binabayaran ka ng client mo to solve a problem, right? If you want to earn big, you solve big problems, tama? So kung yung payment mo is a direct reflection on how big of a problem that you solve as an individual, right? So you do not want to just always solve small problems. Pero okay lang naman yun kung doon ka nag-umpisa. Kaya nga ako nandito, kaya ka nga nandito, para turuan kita mag-solve ng big problems, right? Okay, so ngayon, kung makikita ninyo meron din tayong mga recent job contracts, 'no? Coach Nate, ano ba yung cold email? Kung mapapansin ninyo dahil ako lang po yung cold email marketer sa Philippines kasi 'pag sinabi mo kasing VA, sikat na yung mga SMM VA, real estate VA, GHL VA, at kung ano man, podcast VA. Pero nakakalungkot isipin sa Philippines, no, natatalo tayo ng India, natatalo tayo ng Pakistan sa cold email. Which is, kung tutuusin, hindi naman mahirap talaga. Mas mahirap pa yung cold calling, no? So, cold email is a job wherein you would want to generate booked appointments. Yun lang naman eh. Hindi mo kailangan mag-close ng service ng client mo. Hindi mo kailangan mag-hard sell. Yung pinaka reason kung bakit ka binabayaran ng client mo is just generate interest. Okay? Just generate business interest, traction. Okay? So kung makikita ninyo guys, this is April 9. Okay? Minsan hindi na ako nag-a-apply. Minsan sila na rin yung nagme-message sa akin. This is an email na I received from OLJ. Okay? I came across your profile and was really impressed with your experience in outbound marketing. Guys, ang pera nasa B2B outbound. Okay? Business to business outbound. Alright? Nandun po yung pera. Okay? So, if you would want to earn in the freelancing world, you would, kahit hindi ka mag-cold email, basta nasa B2B outbound ka, no? Of course, this is just my professional opinion. Kasi syempre, bias na rin ako kasi nandun ako sa industry. So, puwedeng isipin ninyo, Coach Nate, eh, kasi 3 years, 4 years, 5 years ka na diyan, paano naman ako na nagsisimula pa lang? Exactly the point. Walang Filipino masyado dito sa industry na 'to, guys. It's not well known. Kung mapapansin ninyo wala pa nga tayong 30 dito sa GMeet, eh. Can you imagine how lucky you are for you to be here with me tonight, 'di ba? So kung mapapansin ninyo, okay, B2B outbound is where the money is. And exactly in this 1 hour webinar, ituturo ko sa inyo lahat. Hindi na ako magtitipid. Alright? Hindi na ako mag-hold back. Kung ano yung tools na ginagamit ko, ililista ko lahat. 'Di ba? So, yun. Now, kung mapapansin ninyo, cold email marketing, cold email marketer, cold email manager, yun yung mga roles na ina-applyan. Right? And ginagaranti ko sa inyo sa OLJ, wala akong kompetensya. Wala akong kompetensya. Maaari may mga nagsasubmit mga ChatGPT generated application, pero in the actual client facing, no, interview or discovery call, When they're asked, do you know how to use Smartly? When they ask, do you know how to use Clay? Do you have experience using Instantly? 'Di ba? The best is I've used Apollo before. Of course, sa mga ibang, naging trabaho nila. But in of itself, cold email, I don't think I have a lot of competitors, no? Which is a good thing for me and you, right? Pwede mong isipin, ano kaya yung magiging service ko in the next 3 months? Or ang pwede mong isipin, ilang cold email clients kaya ang pwede kong ma-onboard in the next 3 months, di ba? At least binibigyan na kita ng information right here. Number 1, cold email is rare. Number 2, cold email is in high demand. Don't believe me. Go to Upwork, go to OLJ, go to LinkedIn, di ba? They are hiring for cold email operators, guys. No? That's why companies like Instantly, okay, persist and dumadami users nila, dumadami yung software accounts count nila, no? Because maraming tao ang gumagamit ng cold email in terms of marketing, 'di ba? Coach Nate, ano bang pagkakaiba niyan? Ano kasi ako nasa Facebook ads eh. Alright. Ganito po yan, no? Bakit mas pipiliin mo ang outbound setting using cold email versus ads? Okay? Because kapag nag-run ka ng ads sa Facebook, ang makukuha mo lang yung tao sa Facebook. Naintindihan mo ba? Pag nag-run ka ng ads sa TikTok, ang makukuha mo lang yung mga tao na nasa TikTok. Paano yung kung ang tao na kailangan ng client mo wala sa Facebook, wala sa TikTok, 'di ba? Doesn't matter how many ads you run and how much is it. Wala sila doon eh. For example, ang client ko is nasa trucking business sa Florida, right? Ang kailangan niya mga vice president ng supply chain o logistics manager, right? Paano mo i-ads yun sa Facebook? Diba? Yung mga job titles sa CEO, paano mo yun mata-target sa Facebook? Right? The best way, direct, is cold email. If i-cold call mo sila, ang matatawagan mo sila yung mga assistant nila. Receptionist ng company. Tama ba? This is not B2C, skip tracing, real estate, homeowners work. It's not. May kanya-kanyang strength po yun. And this is not to downplay advertisement kasi pang consumer yun. This is different ball game. This is a different animal. This is a jungle na onti lang tao ang nakakapag-monetize. Okay? This is a skill set, no? Cold email is a skill set na onting tao lang ang nakapag-utilize. And I'm here with you today to share it with you ng buo. Okay? So another email. This is 13 days ago. Hi, I'm looking for a cold email specialist who has experience in building cold email strategy from the ground up, including pag-build ng list, pag-set up ng domains, pag-integrate. Coach Nate, hindi ko yan alam. Sobrang technical yan. I promise you, in the next 30 days, kaya mo ito malaman. Kasi hindi siya madali. Ay, hindi siya mahirap. Okay? Kung nakakapaglaro ka ng Dota 2 o meron kang larong kahit anong PC na laro, mas mahirap pa yun. I guarantee yun, mas mahirap pa yan. Diba? It's just that, nagka-enjoy ka. You know? Diba? Alright. So, how much does it pay? Kasi nakita nyo yung remittances ko, no? Just proof yun. Kung makikita ninyo, I charge $17 per hour. Isang client is 1,500. This is a recent close client na itong April 18 lang. Right? So, yeah. Kung papansin ninyo, all glory to God. Syempre, si Jesus Christ po yung nagbigay sa akin ng mga clients na yan. Pero kung papansin ninyo, it's here. Right now. In the country. People are hiring Filipino cold email specialists. Be proud, be happy because this is uncharted territory. 2025. Last year, walang ganito. Last year sa OLJ, bihira mag-post ng hiring cold email specialist. Ngayon, ang dami na nagpa-post. No? They may not say explicitly cold email, pero pag outbound B2B, nag-call kayo, binentahan mo ng cold email service. Guys, you know, hindi porket sinabi nila ng 800 lang yung job post, you can negotiate that. No? Marami ng marami na ako naging client na ang pinost nila 600, nag-usap kami, "Hey, ito yung method ko, ito yung results ko, ito yung portfolio ko." You know? Tapos nag-change sila, you know? So, it's really up to ano, negotiation, 'no? So, pero enough about that, 'no? Kasi at the end of the day is, number one, can you do the job, 'di ba? Number two, how well do you do your job? Then you charge higher, right? Kahit anong motivation ang puwede kong sabihin sa'yo tonight, quotation, 'di ba? Anything that would make you feel confident, mawawala 'yun kapag hindi mo rin alam yung skill, tama, 'di ba? So, parang yung ibon, 'di ba? The bird is not afraid if the branch will break because yung trust niya, yung confidence niya, hindi dun sa tibay ng branch, eh, but it's in his ability to fly if and when mabasag yung branch. Alright, so I think naumpisa ko na siya ng intro, guys, 'no? So, let's have a really good discussion. Please type cold email sa chat if nagustuhan ninyo yung pinakita kong market, pinakita kong demand, pinakita kong, proof, 'no, ng profession na 'to. Please type cold email sa chat. Okay. Ready ko lang aking document. Baka sa part 4 introhan ko rin ng ano, introhan ko rin ng LinkedIn outreach. Kasi parehas din naman 'yun, eh, ibang software lang. Pero parehas din naman 'yung thought. Magbi-build ka ng list, build ka ng message, automate mo, 'yun lang, 'di ka babayaran. Okay. Sige, ayan, let's start, 'no. So ayun guys, wala akong ginawang, presentation, 'no, kasi I like to keep it real, I like to keep it raw, 'no. Makikita ninyo ay and siyempre demonstration of stock knowledge, 'no. Kasi you cannot teach what you don't know, tama? You cannot, teach you don't have, 'di ba? So, ano nga ba yung cold email, okey? So, yung B2B outbound, okey, tatlo 'yan, 'di ba? Cold na SMS, okey, calling, okey, and email, tama? SMS, cold calling, and cold email, tama? Cold email marketing is the oldest form of internet marketing out there, okey? Wala pa yung YouTube, wala pa si Facebook. If you want to get a job done sa business, 'pag umattend ka ng conference, nag-exchange kayo ng business cards, through email kayo mag-usap, correct? Yes. But only recently, 'no, because of tools like yung legacy tools, babalik ko kayo na sa time machine, okey? Mga 2017, 2018, okey, ang mga naunang tools is sila Woodpecker, 'yan, sila Woodpecker, 'yan, yung mga mail merge tools na yung iba hindi na nag-e-exist, 'no? Around 2019, pumasok na sa laro, 2020, si Instantly and si Smart Lead. Dun na nagbago ang industriya. Bakit? Kasi ano ba ang problem ng cold email? Kung bakit hindi siya worth it, kasi hindi siya scalable. Any form of marketing na hindi scalable, hindi worth it mag-invest, tama? Kapag yung Gmail mo, sinagad mo, 'no, napudpod, 'no, mababan ka, right? Or kung hindi ka naman mababan, hindi ka naman mapupunta sa primary inbox, tama? At meron ka lang limit sa kung ilan ang pwede mong sendan sa isang Google account. Tama? Anong gagawin mo? Gagawa ka ng maraming Google account. Magpapalit ka ng password. No? Marami kang login. No? Nakaka-stress. Tapos, kada isang email account, i-manage mo pa yun. Diba? Lalagay mo pa ng tag, lalagay mo pa ng label. Diba? Tapos wala pang automation. No? Kaya walang pumapansin ng cold email before. Up until these two tools went ahead sa industry. No? These are the name that came to change the freaking game. Okay? Smart Lead and Instantly. So yes, it's in my best interest, it's in your best interest na matuto na itong dalawang tools na to. Mamili ka lang ng isa dyan, it's fine. Hindi naman to Pokemon eh, na kailangan pag-isipan na, pero pipiliin ko si Charizard ba o si si Squirtle ba? Kahit ano, okay, goods lang yan. Kung mapera-pera ka, email Bison, alright? Alright. Pero, the reason why these two tools are really apart from the competitors kasi merong ano to? Merong warm up pool. Okay? Warm up pool. I know hindi mo siya ma-appreciate ngayon. And okay lang. Hindi mo naman to kailangang abisaduhin eh. Right? They invested millions and millions of dollars, parang Donald Trump lang, of dollars, no? Na nag-seed round sila to build their technological infrastructure for warm-up pool. Ano ba yung warm-up pool? Okay? Warm-up pool is a facility na kapag gumawa ka ng bagong domain and email account, of course, may kita ng server, no? Ng mga protocols, no? Na hoy, bagong gawa ka na ng email account. Bakit ka magsasend ng email sa 1,000 tao? Mababan ka, ban ka, ayaw kita, hindi ka makapasok sa may inbox. Nandun ka sa spam, right? So, you do not want to do that. What you want to do instead is whenever you buy new domains and email accounts, you hook them up to a warm-up pool. In 2 weeks, ang ginagawa ng warm-up pool, nagre-reply sa email mo, minamark as important yung email mo, and kung magland sa spam, ipupunta sa main inbox. 3 bagay po. Okay? Mark as important, reply, move sa inbox. No? Mark as important, reply, move sa inbox. Mark as important. Lahat yon ng activity na yon, no? Every single day sa lahat ng email domains. Ano mangyayari, no? Tataas yung reputation score, no? Na pag ginamit mo na siya into an actual outbound campaign, okay? Nasusundan nyo ba? Pag ginamit nyo na siya sa actual outbound campaign, maglaland na siya sa main inbox ng CEO. Ayun. Kuha ba? Type nyo nga kuha kung bakit importante itong pinapaliwanag ko. Type nyo nga sa Google chat kung if kuha ninyo guys. Alright, very good, awesome. Okay, now, aside from that, these two tools allows you to connect multiple domains and multiple inboxes. 'Di ba naalala niyo yung problema kanina na kailangan mag-log in, log out, switch account? Hindi. Kung sandaan yan, isang login lang yan. Nakahook lang yan dyan. Okay? Kung sandaan yan, isang daang Nico Soriano 1@gmail.com, isang daang Nico Soriano 2@gmail.com. Nahook lang yan. Nakamanage yan sa isang inbox management system. Kung tawagin is Unibox. No? Ayan o. Yan. So, kahit maraming email account, isang inbox lang yung pupuntahan. 'Di ba? So, pag may nag-reply dyan, sa kahit ano, hindi mo na kailangan mamili. Saan ba nanggaling tong reply na to? Anong email account ba ginamit? Hindi, isa lang yan. No? Automatic. Pag nag-type ka ng reply, hindi mo na kailangan hanapin kung saan email niya nanggaling. Alright? So, that's number 2. Okay? Na pinagbago ng kung bakit kahit matanda na si cold email, kahit siya na yung pinaka-naunang form of internet marketing sa buong mundo, okay, bakit siya na-revive this 2020? No? At pinapakita ko ngayon para madala ko kayo sa 2025. Okay? Kung bakit may time gap. Bakit hindi to alam ng mga Filipino VA community or the freelance scene? If alam man, hindi siya at the same level of popularity as GHL and whatnot. No? So, now, number 3. Siyempre, automation. Diba? Automation. Ano yung ino-automate mo? Okay? Yun yung pag-uusapan natin tonight. Okay? Yung buong tech stack. Okay? So, balik ko kayo sa idea ng cold email. Cold email. Yan. Sino ba yung kino-cold email mo? Iko-cold email mo ba yung prospect mo? So, let me simulate a scenario. Okay. Etong pinaka-recent client ko, ito, nagbayad sa akin ng 1.5 per month, no? Okay. So, yung business niya is a logistics business sa Jacksonville, Florida, 200-mile radius. So, meron siyang 5 truck. Alright? Iba't ibang klaseng truck. And gusto niya siyempre magamit yung truck niya na ibang business. So, ang kino-cold email ko is mga pharmaceutical companies, mga construction companies, construction materials, yung mga pipeline, needing of trucks, mga movements, no? Logistics, anything, no? So, ngayon, okay. Ang essence ng cold email, guys, hindi ka naman maniningil ng pera online. Okay? Alright? Hindi ka nga spammer, pero yung ginagawa mo naman spamming eh. Kasi alam mo niyo ba, ang unang naiisip ng isang tao pag sinabing cold email, napaka-generic. Generic. Yung copywriting mo, generic. Yung email mo, generic. No? Pare-parehas. Ang nag-iiba lang yung first name. That's not cold email. No? If napakinggan ninyo yung part 2, yung copywriting sa series, I suggest you watch it. No, natanggal lang kay Facebook Live but 11,000 people, 500 watched it. I suggest you also watch it. Nasa YouTube, Rap Cap Show. Search nyo lang sa YouTube. Right? Pero if hindi nyo yan napanood at gusto nyo siyang maturo ulit sa inyo live, okay lang. Meron akong Discord community. After na to, alam ko gusto nyo rin ako makausap, gusto nyo rin ako makasama, gusto nyo rin ako mabanding, okay lang. After na to, pwede tayo magkaroon ng after post-production, celebration, makilala rin kita, ano ba pinagdadaanan mo, saan mo ba gusto pumunta, kung gusto mo ba mag-rant sa career mo, meron ka bang toxic client, sanay na sanay po ako dyan. Kasi I also am a coach eh. Meron po ako sariling cold email academy, right? So, now, balik tayo kay cold email. Right? So, obviously, you would what? Have a lead list. Unlike sa advertisement na hindi mo alam kung ilan yung maka-reach ng campaign mo, sa cold email, alam mo exactly kung ilan yung mga taong marireach ng campaign mo. Okay? Okay. So, for this to work, kailangan natin ng essentials. Unang-una yung iyong infrastructure. Okay. So, go back muna tayo ng part 1, mabilisan lang. Kailangan mo ng infrastructure. Infrastructure. Yan. Ito yung tawag dito, tools mo, domains mo, emails mo, kailangan bayad yan lahat. Client naman yung magbabayad yan, don't worry. Okay? Do not worry. Number 2, syempre, yung prospects or lead list. Diba? Like, ako, Coach Nate, Nate, gusto ko ng mga roofing companies. Digital marketing agency ako, bigyan mo ako ng roofing companies. Okay. Nate, nasa pallet business ako. Gusto ko ng mga nasa produce, no? Okay, 'di ba? So, lead list, no? O kaya isa akong tawag dito, gutter removal. Bigyan mo ako ng mga businesses or mga restaurants na gusto magpa-remove ng gutter. So, okay. Yan. So, lead list po yung tawag dyan. Next, syempre sasabihin mo, copywriting. Okay? So sobrang masya-shock yung mga taong hindi sanay sa cold email copywriting. Bakit? Kasi if you are a copywriter, kung sino dito yung copywriter ngayon, 'di ba hindi ba totoo kapag copywriter ka marami kang sinasabi? Cold email is utilizing only 70 words or less, but in capturing the whole idea of your client. Okay? Yun po yung copywriting. Okay? Paano mo mabebenta yung service ng client mo in just 70 words sa isang taong hindi naman kilala yung client mo? Alright? That's where the magic happen, people. Alright? Kaya ako si Coach Nate, guys, kasi tuturuan ko exactly. Alam nyo guys, napaka-powerful ng words eh. Words can influence emotions, it can influence thoughts, can manifest reality. No? Kaya kapag marunong ka gumamit ng salita, alright, the world is an oyster. No? In terms of cold email marketing. 'Di ba? Ano ba yung tamang sasabihin? Yan kasi yung mga bagay na hindi mo matcha-chat GPT eh. Yan yung mga bagay na hindi mo ma-AI. Kailangan mo may magtuturo sa'yo nito kung ano yung tama mong sasabihin. It doesn't matter kung ilang email accounts meron ka, masusunugin lahat. Wala rin naman din reply eh. Di ba? It doesn't matter how accurate yung lead list sa gusto ng client mo na nag-scrape mo online kung hindi mo rin naman alam yung sasabihin mo. Tama? So, cold email, syempre, email writer ka. Yung pinakaunang profession mo. You are an email writer. Di ba? So, paano ka manliligaw online using 70 words or less? And being a strategist no for over 4 years, guys, I've been doing this day and night. This is what I live, breathe in cold email. Exactly, I know what to say regardless kung anong industry mo. Hindi ko alam yung service mo, wala kang paalam kung product yan or service. I know how to sell it exactly. Diba? Just give me your company data. Ako na bahala. Ako na bahala. They think kasi, yung client mo, no? Minsan, kailangan mong sampalin yung client mo eh. Sino dito nananampal ng client? Ako talagang pag may client ako, sabihin ko, mali ka. Alam mo yun? Pero in a fun way, tas natawa yung client ko. Recently, meron lang akong client sa UK. Sabi niya, Nate, this is our service, this is our product. Sabi ko, okay, it's good, but how do you exactly sell it? It's all the same. You know? Walang business ang nakaimbento ng isang produkto na hindi pa naibento ng ibang business. Tama? They all just differ the way they sell it. The way they sell it. The way they use their words. You know? Yun lang naman pinagkakaiba niyan eh. Di ba nakakagamot ba yan ng cancer? Diba? So, you know, your product, even though na maganda siya, I don't dispute that. I don't disagree with that. I believe at the end of the day, you need to have a good product. But if your words are shit, you know, your conversions are also shit. You know? Ano ba? At the end of the day, it's how you sell it. Diba? So, Coach Nate, pwede mo ba kaming bigyan ng intro kung paano ka magbenta ng, you know, stuff through cold email? Yes. Okay. It's in, I'll do you one better. Pagkatapos ito, bigyan pa kita ng ebook. Bibigyan pa kita ng ebook. Kasi hindi mo naman ito makakabisado lahat ng isang oras eh. Tama ba? So, nyari, bigyan kita ng isang example. Di mo naman siya ma-apply. Wala rin. Maganda, pagkatapos ito, email mo ako, lalagay ko yung email nito. Katunayan, merong form, no? Tama ba, Boss Ralph? Meron silang sasagutang form like attendance para makakuha sila ng certification.
Yes po, yes.
Ayan. Sagutan nyo yung form. Meron kayo magkakaroon kayo ng certificate, pipirmahan ko yun, katunayan na nakagatan kayo ng klase ko, okay? Pagkatapos nun, bibigyan ko pa kayo ng libro na sinulat ko, basahin nyo yun, okay, para matuto kayo mag-copywriting. Alright? Kasi, bakit ko kayo bibigyan ng isda? Pwede ko naturuan mga isda, di ba? I know it's cliche, but, you know, season of giving eh. Alright, so, sige, magpatuloy tayo kasi I only have 30 minutes. Number 4, no? Siyempre, yung automation. Okay? And yung metrics. Yan. Metrics. 'Di ba? Gusto mo pag nag-launch ka ng campaign, alam mo na kung kailan mo dapat patayin yung campaign. Alam mo na kung kailan nang hindi. Alam mo 'yun? For example, ang iniisip mo maganda, pumapangit na, ibig sabihin wala ka pa ring kailangan magpatuloy ka pa rin kasi, maganda yung iniisip mo, hindi eh. Ano pag ang baba na yung reply rate, di mo na rin papatayin yung campaign. So, tuturuan kita ng industry metric and my own personal metric that you can use in your campaign para maganda. Alright? Okay. So, that is the 4 essentials, the 4 pillars of cold email, no? Na topic yan really in depth nung unang series, no? Now, mapunta tayo kasi ang title ng yung whole tech stack eh. Ano ba yung buong ginagamit ko? Ano ba yung buong ginagamit ko sa client ko? Alright? So, number 1. Okay. Mamaya may quiz tayo mamaya. Okay. Joke lang. So, number 1, sending tool. Okay? Sending tool. This is Instantly or Smart Lead. Smart Lead. Yan. Instantly or Smart Lead. Okay? So, makikita nyo guys, sa $97 per month, you can upload 25,000 contacts, no? 25,000 contacts. Poshnate, anong matututunan ko dyan? Ang matututunan mo dito, sa 25,000 contacts, magmamat tayo real quick So, 25, kunyari, mga 25,000 na CEO yan kasi gusto ng client mo, targetin yung mga CEO para magbenta ng audiobook or whatever, di ba? Conversion, AI generation or whatnot. Social media, TikTok ads or whatnot. Hindi ko alam. So, sabihin natin nakapag-scrape ka ng 25,000 people na pasok sa hinahanap ng client mo. Tama? So, 25,000 prospects. No? Now, sa 25,000 na yan, 3% lang ang magre-reply. Okay? 3% ang magre-reply. So, meron kang 750 replies in a month. Okay? Sa 750, 16% ang magbo-book ng calendar ng ng call sa client mo. So 120 discovery calls, no, book calls in a month. Okay? Siyempre, hindi naman lahat yan mapapakita kasi yung iba magkakasakit, yung iba mabibisi, iba makakalimutan kasi people are people. Tama? So, meron kang 75% show up rate. Yung iba magre-reschedule. So, 90 yung confirmed calls. Okay? Guys, ito lang yung trabaho mo. Hindi mo kailangan i-close. Naiintindihan mo ba yun? Ulitin ko hindi mo kailangan i-close. Kasi ang binayad lang naman sa'yo is to get interest and book appointments. You know? Can you understand that? No? Pero let's say, sales team ng client mo, 10% yung na-close nila. Okay? That's 10% of 90 is 9 clients. Siyempre, US business yan, mataas yung charge nila. Sabihin natin nag-charge sila ng 2K per client. Okay? That's 18,000 revenue that you added sa kanilang business. Magkano yung fee mo? $1,000? O meron silang 17,000. Ano ba naman $1,000 na pasahod sa'yo every month? Ano ba naman yung 1,500 na pasahod sa'yo every month? Nakikita mo ba? Kung bakit you can charge 6 figures using this freelance service is because you are also adding 6 figures sa business nila. Di ba? 6 figures sa peso yung kinikita. Pero 6 figures yun. Pwedeng maging 6 figures yun annually sa kinikita nila. So by removing you, they are also removing their profit line sa business nila. O ikaw yung CEO, tatanggalin mo ba yun o hindi? Di ba? Tatanggalin mo ba yung cold email marketer? Hindi. Hindi, papasayahin mo yan. Kapag nag-ask yan na, incentive tayo. Pag ito yung booked appointments, pag tinaasan ko pa, bigyan mo pa ng extra dollars, something like that, pwede. Kasi ano yung kapalit? Isipin mo nga kung ano yung kapalit. Eto kunyari ikaw yung business owner, wag na yung client ko. Kunyari ikaw yung kausap ko ngayon, ikaw yung client ko ngayon. Anong gusto mo? Singilin kita ng ng 100,000 pesos. Okay? Para mag-viral ka sa TikTok ng 1 million views or meron kang 200 book call sa Google Calendar mo na gustong bumili sa'yo na tao every month. 'Di ba? Anin mo ang virality. These are people na nag-book sa Zoom call mo. You know? Kailangan mo lang silang i-close. You know? 'Di ba? And so dinami-daming service niches sa US, they would kill for booked appointments. Kaya nga sila nag-hire ng booked appointments eh. Now, unlike cold calling na kailangan mag-hire ng 1, 2, 3, 5, 10 Filipino VAs or whatnot na cold callers, no? I'm not shitting about them. Iba kasing role nila, iba yung industry, no? In this industry lang. Pero unlike cold calling, you don't need to have many people because you can just, what? Create an army of people kasi pwede kang bumili ng maraming email accounts na unlimited. Okay? One email account can send up to 50 cold emails per day. Per day. What happens if you have 100 email accounts? Di ba? So, yun yung stability. Nakuha nyo ba yung business dynamic, guys? Type nyo nga one sa chat if nakukuha nyo, guys, yung sinasabi ni Coach Nate tonight. And nag-e-enjoy ka. Type nyo enjoy sa chat if nag-e-enjoy ka tonight at nagpapasalamat na nandito ka tonight. Alright. Sabi ni Cornelio. Enjoy ni Jeffrey, enjoy ni Beverly, ni Vince, yan, ni Boss Raf, ni Wiseman, okay, Joyce Ann. Alright, yes, 27 tayo ngayon. Ni Kayan, alright, thank you very much. Now, balik tayo. Okay? Sending tool, guys, huwag niyong kakalimutan. No? Instantly or smart lead. Sa subscription na yan, eto na ang makukuha mo, 25,000 contacts. Okay? 25,000 contacts. Next, sa 25,000 contacts, eto na yung business. Diba? Ilan yung, syempre lahat naman yan, i-email mo eh. Diba? Computin nga natin. 25,000 contacts divided by 20 business days. So, kaya mo mag-send ng 1,250. Okay? Emails per day. Okay? Divided by 25 cold email per email account. Alam ko sinabi ko 50 pero 25 for conservative purposes. Kailangan mo ng 50 email accounts. Okay? Galing sa 25 domains. Okay? Kasi ang ratio is 1 domain equals 2 email accounts. So, for example, kunyari, ang business ng client mo is abc.com. Siyempre, hindi mo gagamitin to kasi business, niya to primary domain niya to Gagawa ka ng mga secondary domains. Yun yung gagamitin mo for cold outreach. Okay? Kasi, hindi mo pwedeng pababain yung reputation score nito. Wag. So, anong gagawin mo? Okay? Bibili ka or advisean mo yung client mo rather bumili ng secondary domains. Ayan. So, ano itsura nun? Try abc.com, get abc.com, choose abc.com. Ayan. Lalagyan mo na ng suffix or prefix, no? Plus dun sa main name nila. Para hindi maapektuhan yung main name nila. Okay? Yun yung reason kung bakit tayo kaya mag-create ng unlimited email accounts. Ito, domain to. Ngayon, pag nilagyan ko na ng pangalan, kunyari, Nate, at yan, email account na 'to. Kuha ba, guys? Yan yun, one domain and two email accounts, okay? One domain, two email accounts. One domain, two email accounts, no? So, ganyan siya. Kasi yun yung number 2 eh. Saan ka bibili ng domain and email account? Okay? Sa domain, GoDaddy. GoDaddy, kasi mataas yung reputation nila kasi yung servers nila, no? GoDaddy or Porkbun. Porkbun. Ano yung tsura niyan? Yan. Dito kasi mura. So, you would advise your client, can you please create a Porkbun account? Prepare your government ID kasi lahat ng mga bumibili ng domain kailangan ng, syempre, ICANN and, regulations and whatnot. No? So, next is, sa email naman, eto guys, pag-usapan natin yung email. Okay? Pag-usapan natin yung email. Isa pa kung bakit nakakainis mag-cold email dati at walang puwapansin. Siguro kung babalik mo ako sa 2017 para maging cold email marketer, sabihin ko, ayoko. Okay, magdodota na lang. Magdodota na lang ako. Bakit? Kasi pag bumili ka ng pag gumawa ka ng bagong email, hindi pa naka-setup yung tech niyan sa backend, okay? Yung tinatawag na DNS records. Okay? Hindi naman yung mahirap. Nakakasawa lang kung gagawin mo yan sa 50 emails. Alright? Nakakasawa lang. Okay? Medyo tamad tayo sa person eh. Now, DNS records, ito yung mga SPF, Sender Proof Policy framework, no? Mga DMARC, yan. Mga DKIM, mga email forwarding, yan. Ang dami mo sa setup, no? Yan. Isa-isa. Before, kung babalik mo ng 2017, 2025 na eh. 2025, may mga resellers na ng Google. Wala nang bumibili ngayon diretso kay Google ng email. For cold email, wala na. Microsoft, wala na. Kasi they charge you $5 na $7 per email account, no? So, bro, kung pupunta ka dito sa premiuminboxes.com, okay, ayan. The number one provider of official Google Workspace inboxes delivered in less than 12 hours. No? Kung makikita nyo dito guys, sila na po yung magse-set up. Okay? Kahit anong ginagamit mong cold email tool, no? Smart Lead, Instantly, yan. This is the best reseller. Kasi kung below 250 inbox lang naman, sobrang mura, $3.5 lang per inbox. Ilan ang inbox na recommended natin kay client sa $97 plan? 50 emails, no? Okay? Times 3.5 box. Ito yung monthly cost niya, $175. Diba? So, ganito guys, no? Pag sinabi ng client mo, ito, part na to ng closing client, no? Pag sinabi ng client mo, Nate, okay, I hear you. Alright. Pero bakit ako magko-cold email? Ba't di na lang ako mag-run ng ads? Brother, you're gonna spend money anyway. No? This is 1/5 of your current marketing cost. Kaya alam nyo guys, when terms of closing client, sabihin mo lang sa kanya, magkano yung current cost mo. Ginagarantisado ko, 1/5 lang yung cost ko sa cost mo na mas marami pang result. Diba? Kung hindi mo yun babayaran, hindi mo yun bibigyan ng pansin, you are talking to a wrong client. Run away. Okay? Run the fuck away. Kasi, hindi niya nakikita yung math eh. Di ba? Isipin mo, this guy already spends money, thousands of dollars of money, of marketing funds, no? Sa ads. No? Tapos, kung tatanungin mo, okay, you spend X much, right, per month, if I understand it correctly. How many calls do you have in a month? Does your team generate in a month? No? Hindi ka nagmamarunong. Siyempre, you're gonna ask it differently, sa tone. But, pinapakita mo yung heaven and hell comparison kasi. Yun yung point eh. Yun yung point eh. Magkano yung in-output mo sa in-input mo, no? Tapos iko-compare ko naman yung cold email department. This is only how much, no? How much exactly piso per piso para matayo tong cold email marketing department mo. Yun yung best closer ko, guys, no? Nagtatayo ka ng cold email department nila. Don't make it about you, no? Para makita nila psychologically, investment yun sa company nila na, my business now has a cold email marketing department. Wow. Hindi ko binabayaran si Nate kasi freelancer ko si Nate. Binabayaran ko si Nate kasi siya yung head ng department ko. Diba? It's the same thing. I just phrase it differently. Tama? Tama ba? Type nyo nga sa chat kung tama yung sinabi ko. Type nyo nga tama. Ayan. So, yun yung branding mo, no? This is exactly how much it costs to establish a cold email department of their firm, of their business, no? Pinapakita mo, $97 per month. You know, magkano sa calculator? $175 per month, no? Magkano yung domain? $15 per year per domain. 'Di ba? Kaya mahal yung fee mo eh, kasi doon na lang eh, 'di ba? Di naman kasi nababayaran yung copywriting, 'di ba? 'Yun tinuturo kasi 'yun. Alright. So, doon ka talaga binabayaran. Alright, ano na? Sending tool, number 1, number 2, domains. Alam niyo na guys hindi na maloloko, di niyo na kailangan mag-research online. Kasi pag ginawa niyo 'to mag-isa, ang kalaban niyo dito is wrong information, um, over information, and outdated information. Lahat ng sinishare ko sa inyo is tama, okay, simple, and updated. Okay? Next. Next tool. Pag-build ng lead list. Okay? Bear with me. Combination kasi to. Okay? Lead list. Apollo, Million Verifier, at Clay. Okay? So, si Apollo, tayo kay Apollo, kung makikita niyo yung website ni Apollo, ano kasi siya, meron siyang ah, 210 million contacts ng tao sa buong mundo. Okay? So, na-script na nila. Kailangan mo lang i-filter out anong lugar, anong job title, anong company keywords, anong industry keywords. You get the point. Alright? And syempre, lilinisin mo yon kasi hindi naman trabaho ni Apollo yun eh. Trabaho mo yun. Okay? So, pupunta ka sa Million Verifier. Okay, Coach Nate. Teka lang, hindi ko ito ma-memorize lahat. Okay lang, kasi ang goal mo naman hindi mo makabisado eh. Ang goal mo is ma-familiarize ka lang eh. Kasi paulit-ulit ko naman itong ano sa'yo. Explain sa'yo. No? So, di ba may mga email ka na script mo na from Apollo. Di ba? May CSV ka na. Okay? I-download mo na yan and i-upload mo kay Million Verifier. Okay? Then lilinisin niya na. Sasabihin sa'yo ni Million Verifier, wag mo na tong email, patay na to. Hindi na to active. Eto, risky. Eto, email mo to kasi ano to, malinis to. Ginagamit nila. Coach Nate, bakit natin hindi ini-email yung mga inactive? Kasi magbabounce lang yung email. 'Di ba? Ayaw mong mag-bounce yung email mo. Kasi, isipin ng server, baka spammer ka. Kasi, nag-email ka sa tao, hindi ka naman nare-replyan, nag-email ka naman ng mga account na inactive, so spammer ka nga. So, hindi ka ganon. So, yun yun. Magkano ang million verifier? Kung 25,000, only $49, guys. Only $49. Okay? Ito yung ginagamit ko, 'di ba? Meron ka, 'di ba, na-scrape mo na ano mo na sa Apollo, yung lead list. Dito ko siya ini-scrape. Ito yung scraping tool ko. Okay? Yan, yung mga email nila, yan, first last name, company email, yan. Magkano? $3 per 1,000 leads. Bigyan kita ng $1,000 advertisement budget. Bigyan mo ako ng $1,000 cold email budget. Parehas tayo mag-start na sa $1,000. I promise you, I can generate more booked appointments than you. Alright? Hindi po yun sa pagmamayabang, but because hina-highlight ko, niyayabang ko yung yung pag-evolve ng cold email industry. Yun yung gusto kong ibida. Hindi po ako, kasi isa lang po akong operator sa maraming operator sa buong mundo. No? Sobrang mura ng pag-create ng domain. Sobrang mura mag-scrape ng leads. Sobrang mura maglinis ng leads. Ang pinaka binabayaran sa'yo, yung 70 words na sasabihin mo para ibenta yung service ng client mo. Okay? So, yun yun. Yun yun. Okay? So, bilis. Isang oras na yun, no? 6:30, 7:25 na. Ganun talaga. Mabilis pag nag-enjoy eh. Pero gusto ko muna, I would want to take the time para ibalik kay Boss Ruff and advise kung how we should go on. Pero yeah, so far tonight, guys, marami ba kayo natututunan? Type nyo nga, guys, if 1 to 10, and 1 to 10, ano yung highlight ninyo, no? 10, marami kayo natutunan. 1, walang kwenta tong webinar na to. Sana hindi ako sumali dito. Joke lang naman. Alright. And mamaya meron tayong Q&A. Okay? Sabi ni Heather De Los Reyes, 11. Ni Wiseman, 10. Ni Marlio. Alright. Boss Jeff. And ni Beverly, 1,000. Yan. Si Kayen, si Anna, si Angelica, si Carlota, si Jeffrey. Yan. Super bitin po. Okay. Sige. Balik ko muna Coach Ralph para advice tayo if kaya ba natin mag 30 minutes pa or paano ba?
All right, guys. Thank you so much, Coach Nate, for that very informative information. You know, I believe Wisman is raising his hands, so maybe you can turn on your microphone, sir, and you can ask your question. So, sir, it's okay naman din up. We could extend till 8 p.m. if you still have time to. If you meron ka pang i-share, ayan. Wala, bro. Okay. So, do you have questions, guys? Clarifications, violent reactions, mga stuff na gusto nyong i-clarify?
Oh, pwede kayo mag-open camera. Gusto ko yung makita kasi later naman, meron naman tayo.
Ayan. Shout out, by the way, kay Ma'am Victoria. Nandito si Ma'am Victoria. Shout out, Ma'am. And si Coach Kiko of your VA, bro. Hi, guys. And also your VA corner, si Sir Marleo. Hi guys, yung mga colleague ko.
Thank you sa support.
Ayan. Thank you sa support.
Sana makasama ko kayo sa offline event namin ni Coach Ralph.
Actually, sir, if you have time, meron kaming event, upcoming event, you are free to join.
Oh, wow. That's nice.
This coming June. Yeah, this coming June.
Birth month ko pa yan.
Yeah, happy birthday to you. Go ahead.
Salamat. Anong tanong ni Sir Wiseman? Tama ba?
I think
kayo mag-chat, guys.
Yan. And I think merong question si Marleo or si Sir. Sir, do you have questions?
Questions lang.
Hello po. Good evening po.
Yeah. Hi, Coach Nate. Na-expose kasi ako nito sa company namin. So, mayroon kaming ni hire pero hindi successful yung cold email. So, I'm in charge of operation kasi. So, I covered, oversee the whole company. So, I was just interested nito kasi I want to help the client from that. really to find another client, rather help the client elevate the business. So ang medyo familiar na ako sa ibang tools kasi naggamit ako ng mga scraping, pero it's very eye-opening. Meron pa lang mga ibang tools na mas mura, mas ano. Yung sa ano kasi, sa email marketing, kasi doon ako nag-ano sa email marketing na after ba ma-set up ng infrastructure, how long it takes ba yung pag-set up ng yung technology, working with clients, and then estimated cost niyan, overall sa experience mo.
Okay. Thank you po, Sir Marlio, for the amazing question. And congratulations sa industry, sa pag-manage sa industry. No? So, quick answers. No? 2 answers. Quick answers, it will never be past $1,000 no? per month to sustain it. Even though mataas na yan. Alright. Yun yung quick answer. Yung long answer is, the way that I do it, sa discover call, tinatanong ko, where are you right now and where do you want to go sa client? Diba? Ano ba yung current conversion rate ninyo? Magkano kinikita ninyo, monthly recurring revenue and whatnot? And magkano yung gusto nyo pang kitain? Ano bang hinahanap mo sa isang cold email specialist and whatnot? So pag sinabi ng client, we want to say something double, di ba? May mga ganong entrepreneurs, okay. So it's just a matter of, if you have the budget, bumili lang tayo ng maraming accounts. Bumili lang tayo ng maraming domains. Bumili lang tayo ng maraming email accounts, you know? There's never a shortage of Google accounts in the world, number one. No? It's just a matter of like, how many $3.5 per month ba yung kaya mong bayaran, right? Number 2 is, yung tinatawag na TAM, or total addressable market. Ilan ba yung pwede nating email account na ma-scrape? Kasi bawat industry kasi may cap yan right? So, example, kung yung niche ng client mo gusto nila is authors, maraming authors sa buong mundo. Marami tayong pwede ma-scrape ng mga email address nila. No? So, wala tayong problema doon. So, for example, ang isang client naman is more local, no? Isang roofer. Ang business nila is 200-mile radius lang, 100-mile radius lang of roofing business nila. Nag-aayos sila ng bubong, ng mga hospitals, restaurants, something like that. Yun, medyo mahirapan tayo mag-scrape kasi limited lang yung ganun. So, dun siguro yung may fluctuation of the budgeting, no?
Okay.
So, gaano ba kabilis i-set up yung infrastructure? All accounts can be bought in a day, no? Tapos yung pag-deliver lang naman po ng email accounts, 12 hours lang yan as indicated in the website. Pero in the actual launching of the outbound campaign, it will take 2 weeks. Kasi i-warm up pa yung email accounts. Since these are brand new email accounts na wala pang reputation, na hindi pa mataas, kailangan i-warm up muna sila sa warm up pool.
Paano siya i-warm up?
Okay. Dito po sa when your client would create or user would create an account sa Instantly or Smart Lead, no? You will just upload the CSV of your email accounts, no? So yung CSV na yon is nandun yung SMTP, IMAP, forwarding and whatnot. Meron naman po silang framework, no? Pero ang pinakamabilis is dito kay Premium Inboxes. Kasi pag dito kayo bumili ng email accounts, dito kayo nagpagawa ng Google account, Google Workspace account, kompleto na po yung technical nila. Ayan, no? And this is literally built for cold email agencies and cold email freelancers, no? So lahat, CNAME, MX Records, and whatnot, no? And maganda doon, 12 hours, US IP address na siya. Kasi kung gagawa ka ng email account ng client mo, nandito ka sa Philippines, ang mare-register ng email grade is Philippines. Medyo mababa yun, right? Although para silang Google account, iba ang reputation score ng Google account sa Nigeria, sa Google account sa Canada, sa US, and whatnot. It exists po kasi, right? So, maganda dito is US IP address siya, right? And yung CSV is allowed format ni Instantly. So, literal drag and drop lang. So, pag sinabi ni Premium Inboxes, Marlio, available na. You can download it. Okay, download nyo na sa PC ninyo, upload nyo na instantly, then nakapasok na siya sa Warpack Pool.
I see. Okay. So si client talaga may bili ng domain, no? Or like bibigyan mo lang ng ano, ng mga prefixes. Ganun.
Yes po. Maganda is kayo yung gagawa kung kayo po yung cold email marketer na hinire. Pero if iba naman po yung cold email marketer is, yes, bigyan nyo lang po ng prefixes. Yun po, nasa ChatGPT naman yan. Like, ChatGPT, this is the primary domain. I don't want to use it. I want to generate 50 prefix for me. Parang gano'n.
Alright. Thank you so much. So may online course ka?
Yes po.
Okay. I'd like to take it, you know.
Salamat po. Salamat po for supporting the community. Okay po. Thank you, sir.
Sige.
Alright. So, ito guys, yung sa mga nagtatanong kung may course ako guys, yes. Actually, may mga nag-advance sa akin for batch 3, no? So, simpleng website lang naman siya. Kita nyo ba yung screen ko? Kita ba, Boss Ralph?
Yes po.
So, ang pangalan ng academy is Cage Academy. So, ready to be player 1. Kung makikita po ninyo, bakit player 1? Kasi it's all in a game, no? So, masarap isipin na naglalaro ka lang, no? Hindi ka nagtatrabaho, naglalaro ka lang. Hindi ako stress, guys. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi wala kang ginagawa sa 8 oras, guys, no? Pag nag-set up ka ng campaign, hindi mo pwedeng galawin yung campaign kasi ma-compromise yung data. Tama? Any marketing campaign. Tama? Now, magla-launch ako ng 10 campaign. Papatayin ko yung hindi performing, i-reallocate yung email account sa mga performing, then i-scale. Tama? Then i-automate ko na lang yung replies. Then sa mga custom replies, i-forward ko sa client ko. That's my job, no? Kung meron man akong extra na ginagawa, reporting, pero hindi ko yung ginagawa kasi end of week reporting naman eh. Kasi bibigyan mo naman sila ng instantly access eh, may analytics yan eh. So araw-araw pwede nilang tingnan eh, kahit sa mobile phone nila eh. So they don't need your end of day report, walang ganun. They don't need na kaya sobrang ganda nitong offer na to as a VA kasi walang tinitingnan yung PC mo. Naka-timestamp ka. Ilan yung nilag mong hours, no? Yan. So, lahat ng contract ko, guys, walang ganun. Walang bantay sarado, walang ganyan, no? Hindi ko kailangan mag-online sa Slack always, pero syempre, professional courtesy. Pero this is a job that is full-time, pero hindi full-time. Now, I know it's hard to believe, but it really is. It's not because you're lazy, but because that's what cold email is. Diba? After you launch a campaign, you know, parang trading, wag mong galawin. Diba? So, ganun siya, parang investing, no? So, this is my website, this is my course. Be a cold email VA, learn lead generation, copywriting, email deliverability, which is important kasi useless ang sasabihin mo kung hindi na maglaland sa main inbox. So, ano yung mga spam words? Ano yung what not to say? How do you condition it properly? Yan. Inbox rotation, booking management, reply management. Paano pa may nag-reply? I'm not interested or I'm interested. I'm the wrong person. I'm out of office. What's the price? No? Kailangan yan. Naka-manage yan lahat. Nakatag yan lahat. Troubleshooting, and many more. See the benefits, no? Cold email marketers charge $850 to $1,500 per month. Diba? Tapos, meron pa yan. Per revenue naman yan. Diba? Per revenue pag nag-exceed ka. So, literal na nag-print ka of your own money eh. Use it for yourself. Close clients from your own cold email campaigns. Do not rely on job platforms like Upwork or OLJ. The reason why, guys, kung bakit pinapakita ko to, kasi walang cold email specialist sa OLJ eh. Konti lang eh. Right? Katulad na sinabi ko, baka nga ako lang eh. Right? Na optimize specifically for cold email eh. Right? So, that's the whole reason why I am sharing this with the Filipinos, no? Na VAs is to gain idea na may ganito pala. Right? Be part of a Blue Ocean skill. B2B outbound is where the money is. Be a revenue specialist today. So, ito po yung mga inclusions natin. Syempre, a 64-page cold email mastery document. Diba? Yung pinakauna. Lahat ng mga dapat na papagawa sa'yo, nagawa sa'yo, ipapagawa sa'yo. Andyan na, 64-page. Walang labis, walang kulang. Alright. Standard operating procedure, mga SOP, framework ko, yung mga winning campaigns ko, in those 4 years, yun yung mga hindi mo mag-google, guys. No? And if pupunta kayo sa Google, alright, if you search nyo cold email course in the Philippines, I'm the only guy apparently talking about it. Right? So, yung ibang lahi na, right? And I'm proud to bring cold email here sa country. I'm proud to be the ambassador of these tools. Meron akong mga cold email tools sa LinkedIn na mga CEO na, kinakausap ako for collaborations. Gusto nila ipasukin yung Philippine market, and I'm proud. I'm honored to be part of the movement. No? And I hope to see more and more Filipinos earning a high amount of pay using cold email. All right. Now, Academy Discord server. Of course, meron po tayong sariling Discord. Yung mga tools ko, mga clients ko, vendors list ko, UNA, knowledge base, lifetime consulting. Ito pa yung pinaka-importante. At the end of the day, mag-enroll ka, right? So, if mag-enroll ka sa kahit kaninong coaches, kanya-kanya namang style yan ng pagtuturo eh. Ako kasi, if I have a student, man, yung batch mo, okay, yun lang yung umpisa ng pagsasama natin. Beyond that, you can always talk to me. All right? I'm not just ang relationship natin hindi mentor-mentee. Sa una lang 'yun kasi tinuturuan ko yung batch mo. Beyond that, we're co-experts, we're equal, no? Kasi mapupunta ka sa ibang niche, no? Kakailanganin ko yung tulong mo someday, kakailanganin mo yung tulong ko someday. We're equal na, no? Hindi ang tingin ko is, oy, habang buhay, estudyante ka. Hindi ganun. Kahit din ako, kailangan ko rin matuto. So I don't want you to leave. I don't want you to be stagnant. It's in my best interest also. Diba? Kasi kanya-kanya niche yan. Hindi ko alam kung saan ka papalarin, kung saan ka mapupunta. Alright? Pero proud ako saan ka nang galing. Right? Kasi I know na hindi na wrong information, outdated, and, harmful information. So, and post-graduation guidance. Alright? So, hindi po lahat na nag-enroll is siguro mag-graduate. Meron po tayong thesis. Alright? Bago kayo issue ng graduation certificate, kailangan nyo po gumawa ng thesis. Yung thesis is, i-report niyo yung pagsasama natin ng 2 buwan and yung 64-page document. No? So, gagawa kayo ng sariling presentation, then mamark ko yun, then kapag okay na, satisfy ako, bibigyan ko na ng graduation certificate. This is really important, guys. Kasi, pag napasa niyo yung thesis, kahit anong client interview, wala na kayong takot. Naisip niyo ba yun? Wala na kayong takot kasi ako nga na-satisfy niyo, I'm a cold email coach eh. And yung mga client nyo, wala namang alam sa cold email. Gusto lang nila ng results eh. At the end of the day, doesn't matter how you do it. They just post, we're hiring a cold email manager. We're not cold email expert ourselves kasi hindi naman ito yung business ko. Alright. I just want to know na, do you exactly know how to do it? Yun lang naman eh. So kung napasayan nyo si Coach Nate sa thesis and nakagraduate kayo, kahit 1,000 na client interview yan, you already know. Hindi ka mapapawisan. Ikaw correct mo pa pag may narinig ka mali. Diba? yun yung purpose nan. And promise you masasayan ka sa thesis. And what's the price, guys? I indicated it's 13,500 but it's 15,000 kasi this is like batch 1 promo pa. Then ginawa ko siyang 2 months, no? So sa $15,300, really cheap, It's really cheap para magkaroon ka ng second career, Magkano yung okay, I don't want to talk about the price, pero magkano ba mag-aral ng isang bagay, ilan ba ang pwede mong pag-aralin sa buong mundo na may kapalit na career pagkatapos as fast as this? In 2 months lang, you're a different person. You're a completely new person. You control your time, you control your money, you control your career. You are in a blue ocean skill set for $300, no? So, you ask yourself, how much do you love yourself? Yun lang yun eh. At the end of the day, gaano mo kamahal yung sarili mo to the point na gusto mag-up skill, right? Upskill. Kita nyo guys, hindi tayo marami, right? And I'm okay with it, okay? Because at the end of the day, hindi naman to paramihan eh. Yeah. Gaano ko kaseryoso, gaano mo to kagusto. I'm just gonna repeat things that I already know. Diba? At the end of the day, kayo yung bida dito, right? And of course, future collaborations pag may malalaking client. Yan. Kaya gusto ko kayong magturo. Gusto ko rin magturo kasi naghahanap ako ng mga pwede kong i-collaborate someday kapag magaling na sila sa isang malaking project. You know? So, di ko alam kung kailan darating yon. But, yep, katulad nung student ko, batch 2, pero nag-collaborate sila sa isang malaking project. Yung client, gusto tuloy magtayo ng call center dito sa Philippines. Nagkakilala lang sila sa classroom ko. You know? So, amazing things can happen eh. They're great minds think alike eh. So, ayan guys, yeah, really cheap. It's up to you. Classes would start next week. So, may 1 week pa kayo to decide, you know? So, yeah, maraming salamat guys. And, yeah, katulad sinabi ni Cornelio, quality versus quantity and the will to learn to prepare for my retirement. Wow, maraming salamat. maraming salamat naman, Sir Cornelio, na ito pa talaga, I'd be honored to be part of your retirement plan, sir. Sana makatulong si cold email po sa inyo. So, hanggang dito na lang, Sir Ralph, no, alam ko nag-overextend tayo ng 40 minutes.
Next, your link sa, sa course, no?
May link sa course. Okay. Itong website na to. Yan. Itong website na to.
Sisingilin ko yung client eh. Siya mag-finance nito.
Go, boss. Ayan. So, nasa comment section or nasa chat box yung link on how to enroll sa course ni Coach Nate. And also, guys, please fill up the form sa yung Google form because we will give out certificates sa mga attendee. And it's also a way for Coach Nate to contact you kasi we will ask for your email address and your feedback as well. So your feedback is very important as well. Thank you. Boss, do you have anything else?
Yes, syempre, as part of our ritual, no, every pagkatapos ng ritual, if you want to reach me, no, sa wala po akong Facebook, di po ako gumagamit ng Facebook, family and friends, wala akong social media. Just like professionals, kontakin niyo sa LinkedIn, right? I wanna see you as a real person. We transact as adults, no. So all of my students sa LinkedIn kami nag-uusap. So, yep.
All right. So if that's it, Sir Coach Nate, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. Guys, can we open our mic? Or can we open our camera pala? Because we will gusto natin mag-take ng picture para this is a proof na you have a great future. Great future.
Great future.
Ayan. So I see people opening their cameras already. Ma'am, thank you guys so much, Ma'am Victoria, for joining. Kasi nakay gusto i-share or nakay gusto i-message or i-promote.
Wala pa man.
Alright, well,
I'm just happy to be here and I learned tools na wala pa ko na-expose kay I'm very far away from this type of niche. So this was wonderful. Thank you, Coach Nate. And I hope to see you soon and connect with you and all the others here as well.
Alright. Set natin yan, Coach Nate. Punta ka dito sa Visayas or Mindanao or somewhere kung saan mo gusto. Alright, thank you so much, guys. So, ayan, I think nahihiya yung iba. But thank you so much once again for joining. And let's pause. 3, 2, 1. Ayan, thank you so much, guys, once again for joining. Please expect your certificate within 24 hours. And Coach Nate will be reaching out to you within as soon as ma-receive na niya yung sheets. So once again, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Coach Nate. And do we expect part 4 for this, Coach Nate?
Oh yes, nga pala sa mga magsasagot ng form, no? Pag nabigay na yung certificate, kasi I promise an ebook, i-deliver ko yun. And a Discord link para makapag-continue tayo sa ating pag-usap. Kasi kahit di naman tayo mag-enroll yung iba, may free community naman, right? So, kasi yung iba, they come to me, Boss Ralph, kahit di cold email advice sa career nila, paano yung transition. Kasi they do not need to transition right away, di ba? May mga pinagdadaanan itong mga to, gusto lang nila ng taong makausap. At alam ko napakalungkot ng buhay VA wala kang katrabaho, ikaw lang mag-isa, kapamilya mo, digits ginagawa mo. Pag kinakwento mo sa kaibigan mo, parang nagyayabang ka. Alam mo? So, alam ko yung mga iba dyan, malungkot yung buhay. So, kailangan ng community. Minsan, nakakanto, kailangan nila mag-work. Meron po akong free community. Pwede tayo mag-co-work doon sa Discord. Hang out lang, Doesn't have to be a student or whatnot. So, yeah, so sagutin niyo yung form and please, I would really appreciate an honest feedback. Habaan niyo yung responses niyo para, next time I know what to do. And of course, meron tayong part 4. Let's schedule that next time.
All right. Well, thank you so much, guys. And once again, hilahan tayo pataas. This is Rafael. Please like and follow VA Rookies and all the pages ng mga influencer na nandito. And God bless us all. See ya. Bye-bye.
God bless. Salamat.
Thanks everyone.